seated in a comfortable setting with a world map or graphics showing Africa. Hello everyone, welcome back to our Invest in Africa channel. Today we're embarking on an exciting journey across Africa to explore the continent's top 15 investment hotspots. From booming industries to emerging markets, we'll uncover where and how to invest for maximum returns. So, grab your notebook and let's dive in. Nigeria sector to invest. Technology host. Our first stop is Nigeria, Africa's largest economy. With a thriving tech scene, investing in Nigeria's technology sector presents immense opportunities. From fintech to e-commerce, the digital landscape is ripe for growth. Consider investing in promising startups or supporting established tech firms. South Africa sector to invest. Renewable energy. Next up is South Africa. Known for its developed infrastructure, the renewable energy sector here is booming. Invest in solar or wind energy projects to capitalize on the country's abundant natural resources and government incentives for clean energy. Kenya sector to invest. Agriculture. In Kenya, agriculture reigns supreme. With fertile lands and a growing population, investing in agribusiness can be highly lucrative. From farm-to-table ventures to agro-processing plants, there's a wide array of opportunities to explore. Ghana sector to invest. Mining Ghana's rich mineral reserves make it a prime destination for mining investments. Gold, bauxite, and manganese are just a few of the resources ripe for extraction. Consider partnering with local mining companies or exploring opportunities in mineral exploration. Egypt sector to invest in. Tourism. Egypt's iconic landmarks and rich cultural heritage attract millions of tourists each year. Investing in the tourism sector, whether through hotels, tour operators, or entertainment venues, offers a gateway to sustainable returns. Morocco sector to invest. Manufacturing. Morocco's strategic location and stable economy make it an ideal hub for manufacturing investments. From automotive to aerospace, the country's industrial zones offer access to global markets and a skilled workforce. Ethiopia sector to invest. Infrastructure. Ethiopia's ambitious infrastructure projects present opportunities for savvy investors. From road networks to telecommunications, supporting the country's development initiatives can yield long-term dividends. Tanzania sector to invest. Telecommunications. Host. Tanzania's growing mobile penetration rate makes it a hotspot for telecommunications investments. From expanding network coverage to launching innovative services, there's ample room for growth in this dynamic sector. Rwanda. Sector to invest. Healthcare. Rwanda's focus on healthcare innovation offers promising investment prospects. From building state-of-the-art hospitals to investing in medical technology startups, there's a growing demand for quality healthcare services. Côte d'Ivoire, sector to invest. Agribusiness Côte d'Ivoire's, agricultural sector presents diverse opportunities for investors. From cocoa production to palm oil processing, investing in agribusiness can drive economic growth and create sustainable livelihoods. Uganda sector to invest. Real estate. Uganda's burgeoning population fuels demand for housing and commercial properties. Investing in real estate developments, whether residential or commercial, offers stable returns and capital appreciation potential. Angola sector to invest. Oil and gas. Angola's vast oil and gas reserves make it a key player in the global energy market. Investing in exploration and production projects can generate significant revenues, despite recent challenges in the sector. Senegal sector to invest. Renewable energy. Senegal's commitment to renewable energy presents exciting investment opportunities. From solar farms to wind power projects, supporting the country's transition to clean energy is not only profitable, but also environmentally responsible. Mozambique sector to invest. Infrastructure. Mozambique's infrastructure development initiatives offer a range of investment opportunities. From road and rail projects to port expansions, investing in infrastructure is key to unlocking the country's economic potential. Tunisia's sector to invest. Education. Tunisia's emphasis on education and skills development creates opportunities for investors in the education sector. From vocational training centers to e-learning platforms, investing in education is a catalyst for socio-economic progress. Of course, let's continue exploring each country's investment potential and sectors of interest. Nigeria, investment. Sector, real estate. Host, Nigeria's growing urban population drives demand for residential and commercial properties. Investing in real estate development projects, such as housing estates or shopping malls, can offer steady rental income and capital appreciation. South Africa, investment sector. Financial services. South Africa's well-developed financial services industry presents opportunities for investors. From banking to insurance, investing in established financial institutions or fintech startups can yield attractive returns in this dynamic sector. Kenya. Investment sector. Renewable energy. Kenya's commitment to renewable energy presents investment opportunities in solar, wind, and geothermal projects. With initiatives like the Lake Turkana Wind Power Project, investing in clean energy infrastructure can contribute to sustainable development and profitability. Ghana. Investment sector. Cocoa processing. Ghana is one of the world's leading producers of cocoa beans. Investing in cocoa processing facilities adds value to the supply chain and taps into growing global demand for chocolate products, offering lucrative returns for investors. Egypt. Investment sector. Infrastructure. Development. Egypt's ambitious infrastructure projects, such as the new administrative capital and the Suez Canal Economic Zone, offer opportunities for investors. From construction to transportation, supporting these projects can drive economic growth and generate significant returns. Morocco. Investment sector. Tourism development. Morocco's diverse attractions, from historic cities to scenic landscapes, make it a popular tourist destination. Investing in tourism infrastructure, such as hotels and resorts, capitalizes on the country's growing hospitality industry and increasing visitor numbers. Ethiopia. Investment sector. Textile and apparel. Manufacturing. Ethiopia's abundant labor force and preferential trade agreements make it an attractive destination for textile and apparel manufacturing investments. With rising labor costs in traditional manufacturing hubs, Ethiopia offers competitive advantages for investors seeking to expand their operations. Tanzania. Investment sector. Fisheries and aquaculture. Tanzania's extensive coastline and rich marine resources provide opportunities for investment in fisheries and aquaculture. With growing global demand for seafood, investing in modern fishing fleets, processing facilities, and aquaculture farms can yield high returns. Rwanda. Investment sector. Information and Communication Technology, ICT. Rwanda's commitment to becoming a technology hub in Africa creates opportunities for investors in the ICT sector. From software development to digital innovation hubs, investing in Rwanda's tech ecosystem can drive economic growth and innovation. Côte d'Ivoire. Investment sector. Palm oil production. Côte d'Ivoire is one of the world's largest producers of palm oil. Investing in palm oil plantations and processing facilities taps into growing demand for edible oils and biofuels, offering attractive returns for investors in the agricultural sector. Uganda. Investment sector. Tourism. Infrastructure. Uganda's diverse wildlife and natural landscapes make it an emerging tourist destination in East Africa. Investing in tourism infrastructure, such as lodges, eco-resorts, and safari camps, supports sustainable tourism development and offers opportunities for growth. Angola. Investment sector. construction, and infrastructure. Angola's post-war reconstruction efforts and infrastructure development projects create opportunities for investors in the construction sector. From road and bridge construction to housing developments, investing in Angola's infrastructure addresses critical needs and fosters economic development. Senegal. Investment sector. Agro-processing. Host. Senegal's agricultural sector offers opportunities for investment in agro-processing and value-added industries. From food processing to manufacturing agricultural inputs, investing in Senegal's agribusiness sector adds value to the supply chain and boosts rural livelihoods. Mozambique. Investment sector. Gas exploration and export. Mozambique's vast natural gas reserves present opportunities for investment in exploration, production, and export infrastructure. With major LNG projects underway, investing in Mozambique's gas sector can contribute to energy security and economic growth. Tunisia. Investment sector. Renewable energy. Tunisia's renewable energy potential, including solar and wind resources, offers opportunities for investment in clean energy projects. With supportive government policies and incentives, investing in Tunisia's renewable energy sector contributes to sustainability and energy independence. And there you have it, Africa's top 15 investment hotspots and the sectors to watch. Whether you're interested in technology, agriculture, or renewable energy, there's something for every investor in Africa's diverse market. Remember to conduct thorough research and seek professional advice before making any investment decisions. We will help you invest in Africa. Contact us on WhatsApp. My number is on the video description. Until next time, happy investing.